Hi, this video is to share the Ertl toy that's a Shari lamb chop train set with the portable playboard and all the train yard characters and vehicles that go along with it. And this is from 1994. There's various little trains and cars. And this is my Etsy shop, Sales by the Yard, and that's where the toy is available for sale. And then this is the live look at the playboard all laid out with all the trains, and they do all hook together, as you can see up close there. And there are some that are duplicate, or even a few that, one of them that has, there's three of the same. But I've got two separate sets there, and then a few of the toys right in the middle there. Lamb chop on the rocking horse, and the Snoopy looking dog on the little house. There's three buildings that act as storage, and all three of them, the roofs come off. And as you can see inside the amount of space, there's some of those little cars will fit in their side, on their side. And then this is the sticker landscape edging, so you can see that it's a little bubbled and a little bit worn, and the same thing on the other side. And then I just wanted to show you that you can actually put a few toys inside. And if they're tall, it won't close. It may not close with the roof on there. And then I'm just going to take all these off so you can see what the playboard looks like when it's folded up. And it has Velcro. See the two Velcro pieces, and it's strong Velcro. And then it closes shut, and here's where the handle is, so you can actually, it's portable, you can take the toy with you. These are the edges where it's worn, just on the outside. And then I'm going to show each of the individual pictures, from front, back, side, and underneath of each of the die-cast cars. That's just the playboard all fully laid out with the dimensions. It's 16 by 18 and then 2.5 inches high. There are 13 die-cast cars. And the rest of the video you can just watch the items, each of the items, so you can see the condition and the little bit of wear that's on some of them. This is the toy featured in my Etsy shop, Sales by the Yard, and there are other vintage collectibles in there, as well as fairy garden supplies and decorations and dollhouse miniatures. There's also going to be an article on my artist blog, brendakyle.wordpress.com. Thank you.